Howdy, my name is Jim Vicinius, and I'm building Lanefix, the voice AI drive-thru attendant that's going to take all of your fast food orders in the future. Let me show you what I've been building this past month. So this is Lanefix. It runs on a traditional iPad, which is ideal for a few reasons. It has over 8 hours of battery life with our onboard battery packs, which means no having to plug into electricity. It gets 5G LTE, which means no having to use Wi-Fi, no plugging into Ethernet. And it's also super portable, which means any of your attendants, male, female, of any age, even elderly, can pick this up and they can put it into any lane or remove it in seconds if for any reason it's acting up or you want to put it somewhere new. With that being said, let me show you how it works, and yeah, we'll dive right in. So we can go ahead and when you open up our app, it shows you your available restaurants. And all of these have different menus, greetings, voices, languages supported, etc. Another big thing for people, I love voice AI. This thing supports German, Hindi, Spanish, everything you can imagine out of the box. With that being said, we'll go ahead and we'll choose Chick-fil-A for today. You can see our analytics page here, but that's not really important. We'll go to register and you'll see that that red mark there is, again, red. And what that means is our Square POS terminal is not connected, which means that we're unable to actually take and pay for orders right now. So before we get started with anything, let's connect this. We'll go ahead and tap that icon right there and you'll see our Square terminal has already lit up. All we have to do is tap on it and we'll get this nice little login code here. So I can go here, sign in, use the device code, and then using that code right there, which is SCHV, sign in. Nice and secure, no sharing passwords. I've seen a lot of restaurants put like a little label on the bottom there for their POS. We don't have to do any of that around here. Once you've connected, it's at 100%. Go ahead and hit I've connected my device. You can tap that and make it go away. And now we are ready to run the cashier's register from this device right here. But before we run cashier, we've got to get an order first. So let's go to Drive-thru and let's take our first order at Beaver Creek, Chick-fil-A. Ready.
Welcome to Chick-fil-A. Can I get a name for your order?
Jim.
Thanks, Jim. What can I get started for you today?
Can I get a chicken sandwich, please?
So far, I have one Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich for you. Would you like to add anything else to your order?
Yeah, add waffle fries to that too, please.
You now have one Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich and one waffle fries. Would you like to add anything else to your order?
Yeah, add a fountain drink, a Diet Coke, please.
You have one Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich, one waffle fries, and one fountain drink, Diet Coke. Is there anything else you'd like to add to your order?
Nope, that's it.
Your total is $10.47. Please pull forward to the next window and have your payment ready. Thank you, Jim.
So as you can see, it shows your items on the screen the entire time, shows your total at the end, which I know a lot of restaurants around North Carolina, California don't get right no matter what, and it's constantly frustrating. And then once you have your order taken, you can see the total here as a cashier. I can hit click. And then I can edit it if there's any changes needed, but it looks like it got my order right. So I'm gonna go ahead and click send to POS for payment. Order sent to POS. I can see my order here. Show it to the customer, hit confirm and pay. And all they have to do is tap insert or swipe there to pay for their order. And yeah, that is Lanefix, my voice AI drive-thru attendant. I really hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you want a demo. Lanefix.com. This would save so much time at your restaurant. I just promise you, all the time you're spending on call-ins, call-outs, no-shows, etc. Your voice AI drive-thru attendant, it will never call out. It never needs breaks. It is perfectly chipper all day, all night. You can keep your drive-thru lanes open, or even if you just have a lane go down, it's great to have a Lanefix in your closet. So give me a call or an email, jim@lanefix.com. My phone number's on our website, lanefix.com. I would love to help you out so much. Voice AI for drive-thrus, drive-thru attendant, jim@lanefix.com. Thank you so much. Bye.